Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to move here in this corrective structure. Just want to focus on the shorter time frame because literally not much happened. We had a bit of a reaction to resistance. That's essentially what we want to see. We want to see eventually another low. However, it's too early to confirm that the wave 4 is already in. I've marked it as potential now on the chart that this fourth wave, which should result in a fifth wave, might be complete. I put it on here because we made a new local low today here, lower than the, yesterday's low. So it likely either is resetting here. The X wave, I had it like this before, yeah, and it made a new low. So I would have to assume that either this X wave is just resetting, which is something that happens all the time in corrective structures. So that's completely normal business. Or the top is already in, but the move down isn't clearly impulsive yet. So what we need to understand is, okay, what is the relevant support level that if broken will tell us that we are already coming down with a high likelihood. Bear in mind, it's all probabilities. On a day like that, volume is lower. The US stock market is closed, less impulses from the stock market. Yeah, already highlighted earlier today and yesterday that I think it will be a slow start to the week. And it is so far because the US stock market is closed. Normally now, after the weekend, when the stock market opens, we see a little bit of action. Now, not so much today because, again, the stock market is closed, Labor Day. Anyway, what we always need to pay attention to is that such a corrective structure can become a larger corrective structure. So I still have it on the chart here because we didn't reach the 38.2 FIB level, which is the ideal target for a fourth wave. Now, it doesn't need to get there, right? It doesn't need to get there. We already explained in the previous video that there is strong resistance here, exactly here, yeah, where price got rejected now. It's the point of control. All that historical volume is concentrated around that level, 26,050, strong resistance. Therefore, no surprise that Bitcoin has difficulties to move above, to move beyond that. Maybe it will never reach the 38.2 FIB level, but it doesn't need to. This here is all of this is resistance. Don't pay too much attention to the micro counts within the resistance area. Literally anything can happen here, but as long as price stays below the 50% FIB level up there, the focus can remain on downside and the wave count doesn't change. Yes, the corrective microstructures can change. This could even turn into a very, very boring sideways triangle. And, nothing stopping price from doing this here for another couple of weeks, but hopefully not. So the idea would be to get that fifth wave in place, break below 25,470, which is the relevant support level, yeah, that I just mentioned. Break below that and then come down in the fifth wave. Only if this level breaks, yeah, and price sustains below that level, I can assume that this is too deep for a reset of the X wave, and we are probably already in the fifth wave. And the fifth wave should, at a minimum, go below the low of the 17th of August. I know some exchanges already made new lows, but it's not so much about that. It's about getting a sustained break, something that is more substantial, ideally even reaching 24K. Yeah, and it seems like the fifth wave might extend, but we'll see. I mean, for now, the focus is on lower against resistance. If price breaks above resistance, which is possible, absolutely, then I would have to reconsider, however, the wave count and would have to pay attention to this as a high B wave. In both scenarios, however, at the moment, I would expect another low afterwards, either in a high B wave and then a sell-off or a sell-off directly. It's literally just that if we get a high B wave, I would take that opportunity for some profit taking. And if it goes more directly to the downside, then I'm watching this area for a potential lasting low between 22 and 24K. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.